Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today I got a Super Boss watch face for you all to check out. So don't go nowhere. It's coming right up. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Everybody. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. And today I'm telling you this watch face is truly Super Boss. I'm going to give two kudos to the developer for making this one. Now, if you want to know how much this costs, it doesn't cost that much. It looked like it does, but it does not. I paid $1 for this one in the Gear Manager store. The name of this watch face is called Sport Run. Now, the layout says that this watch face is for the runner in you, a super casual watch face, but I'm going to say that this is also a dressy watch face as well. Has a little touch of elegance. Maybe, just maybe, it's the indexes that's going around the bezel of the watch that really brings it out in red. I'm liking it. Now, you do get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. And for those of you all who like 24-hour time, you get a 24-hour digital clock down at the bottom. You also get the day of the week, you get the date, you get the month. The layout is really nice, very simple. You get your battery info, you get your steps, you also get your heart rate and your miles walked or ran. This is truly a nice watch face for the price. I'm telling you, this is truly, definitely worth the download, you all. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. I can't get my money back, but hey, listen, I like it. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button on the way out. And I'm going to say it again. Please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. We got more videos coming. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.